Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Srinivas. So this is a video tutorial of C Sharp Dapper playlist tutorials. And so in this video, I'm going to show you how to update more than one record from the table. So for that, yeah, let's get into this. So for that, I'm going to use one form actually here. So we are going to use one data grid inside the form. So we are having a one data grid view and two buttons actually. So first of all, we are going to fetch that data from the table. So the table is builds table. So inside the builds table, we have two records. So we are going to update the two records in a single query using Dapper C Sharp. So for that, I'm going to first of all I'm going to fetch the data and I'm going to bind it in the data grid view. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, we will check whether it's working or not. Yeah, it's working actually, right? So a simple change actually, it's working. So after fetching the data, so we can edit the columns here. We can in the data grid view, and after some changes has been done, uh, so we are going to update those records, right, in a single query using Dapper. And for that, we are going to um, get the collection of records, get the collection from, sorry, enumerable. So the data grid view, data source. So we need to cast the object because we will get data source. The property of data source properties will type of the data source property is object. So we need to cast it, right? So after holding the value, so we will simply execute in connection object. So we are going to use execute method. So the first parameter will be the query. So set. So we are going to update this on 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 columns except the bill number because it's a primary column, so we don't need to update it. So 7 columns, right? So set bill date equal to at bill date, and customer equal to at customer, and address equal to at address. Item count equal to at item count, and bill amount paid amount, paid amount, balance amount. Yeah, that's it. Where bill number, so bill number equal to at bill number. Yeah, that's it. So the second parameter is it's an object of parameter which is used to pass the values inside the query. So the first one is bill date actually. So you may have a question in your mind, so why I gave all the scalar variable name is exactly what we have in a columns in the table actually. So only I added the at the rate symbol, right? So because whenever we pass the parameter object, so it's a parameter object, we no need to give a parameter object. So I just created for so to demonstrate for the demonstration purpose only. So now in the parameter object is bills. So what Dapper will do after giving the this collection as a parameter object, so it will take this collection and it will iterate one by one, and it will one by one, and it will in uh, if the, in at the time it will take the exact bill number. So it will take the exact um, uh, value of the column what we have given in the where condition. So it will take the particular record and will do some changes what the um, parameter object actually holds, right? So this is how we can, yeah, that's it guys. So you can see um, first of all I'm going to fetch the data. So I'm going to update my name Srinivasan J and India Bharat. Item count is 5 and bill amount is 500. Paid amount 0. Balance amount 500. And here you can see the kernel. So put here and item count is 2. I bill amount is 1000. Paid amount 1000. The balance amount will be 0. So let's see how these two rows is updated. So you can see, so I am going to press the F10 here. See, two rows are affected. So we will check the database. Yeah, see the first one is Srinivasan J, sorry, Srinivasan J, India Bharat. Item count is, I change item count 5, 500 0 500 500 0 500. The second one is, you can see, Kanan Surya Putir, and item count is 2, and bill amount is 1000, paid amount is 1000, so balance amount is 0. So I hope you guys understand this tutorial. This is how we can update more than one record in the table using Dapper C Sharp. So in the next video I will come with a different topic in C Sharp Dapper. Thank you friends.